Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Our country is known as the largest democracy in the world, not only because our constitution is the biggest one in the world, but the election system followed by us, and due to that process, we proved ourselves as the vibrant democracy in the world. The fact that the Election Commission of India is laying so much of emphasis on voter education programs even today indicates that we still have a long way to go to have a 100% elected. The basis of democracy is right to differ. Right to differ is the basic concept regarding the democracy.
Citizens have to play a very major role in ensuring that the level playing field is maintained, and as you know, there is already C-Vigil app which is in the public domain, and our flying squad teams are in the ground 24 hours. Right now at present 81 flying squad teams are there all over Goa, and they are constantly on alert to see if any malpractice is taking place. We are committed to ensure a level playing field by controlling the use of muscle power, money power, or any kind of nuisance value.